Happy New Year to you all. We are grateful that you stayed with us another year, and we look forward to keeping you informed about the happenings out west this year. Today, we have a very special program lined up for you. We will be revisiting the parishes we serve in Western Jamaica to highlight our top stories for the year 2021. Stick around. At the start of the year, selected schools across Jamaica reopened for face-to-face classes following an extended hiatus brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Salem Primary and Junior High School in Beeston Spring, Westmoreland, was labeled by the Westmoreland Health Department as a model school in observing COVID-19 protocols, and the students were elated to be back in school.
It feels exciting, although we can't bundle up like we always did, but it's okay because I understand more in face-to-face class. And when we're in face-to-face class, we get better understanding of things.
Face-to-face, I'm gonna see my friends. I like face-to-face because I get to understand more and I be more comfortable at school.
Face-to-face classes were again closed shortly after due to a spike in COVID-19 cases, but the government soon rolled out its vaccination program, a signal that we were on the path to recovering stronger together.
Glad to be here today to be among the first set of persons to be inoculated. Well, I'm feeling all right. It was a seamless process, and I would encourage everyone else to come out and get vaccinated as soon as possible.
Doctors, nurses, community health aides, and pharmacists were among the first group to be inoculated, and soon after, the vaccination program was expanded to include other categories of workers. As the vaccination numbers began to rise, we also saw an improvement in the number of economic activities. Chief among them was the return of cruise shipping to the island. Following a near 20-month hiatus, the coastal town of Falmouth, Trelawney, welcomed its first cruise ship in November, Carnival Corporation's Emerald Princess, with some 2,780 passengers and crew members, entered Jamaica's largest port, a clear signal to stakeholders and residents that a return to some semblance of normalcy was on the horizon. Stakeholders were elated.
We are happy to be receiving this ship after such a long time. It's actually maybe 2 years, almost 2 years since the ship came here in our port. And we are happy that the life has finally been brought back, because as you will know, we are always a sleepy little town. And so we are happy for ship coming in.
And while things began to improve on the economic side, state agencies ensured things were also improving on the social side. Youth were kept engaged and empowered, and communities were improved aesthetically. The Social Development Commission in Westmoreland launched its inaugural Young Educated Leaders LEAD program, YEL. The initiative, which sought to build leadership skills among the youth, was hailed as a success.
Personally, it helped me with my confidence. It helps me to move towards things, and I'm also planning to create a youth club in my community, so it's been a good experience so far. Yes, I would recommend a program like this to wider Jamaica, to occupy young males like myself in making progress and being productive.
In Flanker St. James, the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, through its Poverty Reduction Program, PRP, with funding from the European Union, EU, rehabilitated the Community Health Center at a cost of 47.3 million Jamaican dollars. More than 3,000 residents in Flanker and neighboring communities are expected to benefit from the health center, and for this, the residents continue to be grateful.
I'm just glad for this center now and the improvement that it will be to the community and other adjoining communities. This health center was here so long and we needed the change, and now the change has come. I don't think we as residents we are glad for it, and I hope all residents will facilitate it and use it wisely.
So yes, the year could be described as a roller coaster, but through it all, we are recovering and will continue to recover stronger together. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the program. As usual, thanks for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Again, Happy New Year. Do continue to stay safe.